Welcome to this tutorial on how to check your PC's hardware specifications using Speccy. Speccy is a free and simple tool that provides detailed information about your system hardware. Follow this guide to quickly find out what is inside your PC. First, we need to download and install Speccy. Open browser and go to Google and then search for Speccy and look for the Microsoft link in the search results. Click on the Microsoft link and download Speccy. Click the downloaded setup file. Now click Run. And now open the Start menu and search for Speccy and click on it. The program will automatically scan your system and display an overview of your hardware specifications. It might take a moment or two. Once done, you will see a list of hardware categories such as CPU, RAM, motherboard, and graphics. These are your computer hardware. Click on any category to view detailed information. For example, CPU shows details like clock speed, cores, and cache. RAM shows total capacity, type, and usage. Graphics shows your GPU model, VRAM, and monitor resolution. If you have AMD CPU that is showing as AMD K19 like mine, you can check CPU by Open Task Manager and go to the Performance tab, and that is it. With Speccy, checking your hardware specifications is fast and easy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.